Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can sync your Outlook calendar with your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So all you need to do is first of all get to the settings of your phone, and from your settings scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. So after doing that, here you'll need to search for calendar, which is right here. So tap on it and open the calendar settings, from which tap on calendar accounts. So after doing that, here tap on add account, and here you can get the option of outlook.com. Tap on it, and then in here you'll need to add down the email address of your Outlook. So after writing down your email address, tap on next. Then in here you'll need to tap on send code, and a code will be sent to your email address. Just like this. Now you'll need to enter the code that is given to your mailbox. Just like this. Here you can see this is the code that Outlook has sent me. All you need to do is simply copy this code. And in here you need to simply paste it down. After doing that, tap on sign in. So in here you need to remember that your calendar should be enabled. You can disable mail if you want. If you don't want your Outlook account to have access to your mail of your iPhone, you can turn that off, or you can turn off the contacts or any other reminder or notes. But you need to remember to enable this calendars. So after doing that, tap on save. And just like this, your Outlook account has been added to your calendar, and now your calendar has been synced with your Outlook account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.